Today we have a question from a husband that is inquiring about what are the chances of having spousal support or spousal maintenance awarded to his wife in the divorce. Husband asks, I work full-time from home. My wife is currently unemployed. She lost her job recently and she's job hunting, but she still hasn't found anything yet. We currently still reside in the same house and share household expenses. Both of us currently have VA disability income in addition to our ability to earn a wage despite the VA earnings. What can I expect in court if she asks for spousal support or spousal maintenance? Is alimony something that I should be afraid of? And how does it work? Great question, very relevant to your divorce. It's very unlikely in your fact pattern that you would be ordered to pay her some kind of spousal maintenance. I can't imagine that she would qualify since she has income that's separate from yours. She is also receiving VA disability, and there's nothing really preventing her from being able to work. She just hasn't found anything yet. Also, as I understand it, she has been working until just recently, so she does have a skill set and is capable of working. There is no disability in place. In Texas, the family code does not recognize alimony. There are two options. It's either spousal support or spousal maintenance. Spousal support in Texas is an agreement between the parties that is enforceable by contract, where husband and wife agree to some amount of financial support that would be ongoing after the divorce. Spousal maintenance in Texas is court-ordered. It is intended to make sure that a spouse is not left without reasonable means to care for their basic necessities. Spousal maintenance is a relatively new law in Texas. It's only been around since 1995. Texas was one of the last states to enact spousal maintenance. In Texas, there's a presumption against spousal maintenance. In order for one of the spouses to be able to request it, they need to file a pleading. There must be some pleading on file asking the court to order spousal maintenance. And then failure to pay court-ordered spousal maintenance is enforceable by contempt. If spousal maintenance is not requested, it's presumed it's not going to happen. Spousal maintenance is designed to keep one partner from leaving the other partner destitute, especially if there are children involved. Spousal maintenance is designed to allow the disadvantaged partner to have time to get on their feet. For example, earning the skills necessary to be able to maintain employment. This is often the situation for a homemaker, for example, a stay-at-home wife who never achieved the skills necessary for her to be able to work outside of the home because she supported her husband's career and maintained the children. This is also possible in a situation where the wife has been out of the workforce for many years because the husband has been the primary breadwinner. Another example is a situation where one spouse is disabled and is not able to work, to hold down a job to care for their basic necessities. There are 3 criteria for determining whether or not a spouse will receive spousal maintenance. 1, if a spouse is unable to earn sufficient income to care for their basic needs due to a disability. 2, the spouse has been married for 10 years or longer and lacks the ability to earn sufficient income to provide for the spouse's reasonable needs. 3, where the spouse is the custodian of a child of the marriage of any age who requires substantial personal supervision due to a physical or mental disability that prevents the spouse from being able to earn sufficient income to provide for the spouse's minimal needs. So again, there is a presumption that spousal maintenance is not warranted unless the spouse seeking maintenance has attempted to earn enough income to support their reasonable needs. They have to have tried to acquire the skills necessary to earn an income that would be sufficient. In your situation, your wife's disability rating does not prevent her from working, obviously. She had been holding down a job until just recently. Additionally, we know she has job skills. And since she does have some income from disability, it's highly unlikely that spousal maintenance will be awarded. She could ask for it. You could agree to pay some temporary spousal support, but I can't imagine that spousal maintenance would be court-ordered for a long period of time, given the facts that you've presented in your brief inquiry. I hope this is helpful.